Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Clove sneakers. If you're interested in this, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so before starting this video, I wanted to make a quick disclaimer. So this video is not sponsored. I'm not an affiliate with the company or anything. They didn't send me anything for free. I paid these shoes with my own money, and the opinions that I'm giving are mine and are on. Like I said in previous videos, I am not going to tell you guys to buy something or recommend you something if I haven't tried it and if I don't think that it's a very good product. So yeah, a little backstory on these shoes and the company. So this company was actually created like in 2018, and it was by a guy that has a wife that is a nurse. He said that he wanted to make a shoe for healthcare workers that was comfortable and that it was just a good shoe overall for those long shifts and stuff like that. That's how Clove came around. They have a website, you can shop through there. Their affiliates do have like discount codes that you can put in the discount bar at checkout, and you can get like free socks. That's how I got my free socks. So if you want like a discount code or something, you can go to their Instagram. There you can find like their affiliates and their codes and stuff like that. I'm also gonna leave their Instagram down below so you guys can you know, get some free socks. So like I said, I'm gonna be very honest with these shoes. They have their flaws. Not every shoe is perfect, and I know a lot of people have their own opinions, and to be honest, I have had a lot of people comment like on my TikTok and stuff like that they saw I have these shoes and they were like, oh, I don't think they're worth it or whatever, blah blah blah. And some of them were kind of rude. I'm like, why are you being rude? Like, I'm really giving my honest opinion. If you don't like it, then don't buy it. I'm not telling you, I'm not forcing you to buy it. Please guys, keep the comments nice down below. Okay, so let's get started with this right here. These are, like I said, sorry, they're a little dirty. These ones are the Brilliant Whites, something like that. They also came out with an all white option after I got this one. So yeah, so I got this one for my clinical. Many nursing schools require you to have all white shoes, and actually these are not all white because of the black trim and stuff, but my scrub buttons are very long so you can't tell. So yeah, and actually when I first got this one, they were very tight on me. I'm a size 8 in women and a 7 in men, and I always get all of my shoes in a size 8 and they fit perfectly, but these ones were very tight because I have a white foot. So actually in their website they do recommend that you size 0.5 or even a whole size if your feet are wide. So I'm usually an 8 in women, but my foot is very wide, so that's why these are very tight on me. And actually I just gave these to my sister because I didn't want to return them. I feel like, I don't know, it was like whatever, I already paid for them, so I'm not gonna return them. And she also like worked long hours sometimes, so I just gave it to her. These are the white option. Like I said, tight on me, so I'm not gonna say they're comfortable, but the other ones that I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna tell you what I think about them. On the inside, the sole, not that cushiony, all right. On one foot it says you support them, and on the other foot it says we support you. I'm gonna do like a close-up. This is like saying you support them, we support you. This is how the white ones look like, and it came in a box like this. And also all of their shoes come with like pants and a battery, but this ones did not. I don't know why. I didn't ask. I didn't really care that I didn't get free pants. But these ones did not come with pants and stuff like that, but my other two did, so maybe they did a mistake or something. And also I got free socks with this one, so I'm gonna show you right now. So these are the socks that I got for free because I used like code of one of the affiliate with them. These ones are pretty popular. I feel like everybody that has Clove shoes have this color sock. They're like rainbow and they're really nice, and it says Clove right here. I got this one in a size small because that's why they recommended. I'm not sure, to be honest, I'm not sure how compression socks work because I thought these were a little bit too tight on me, but then I got a size medium and they were rolling down on my leg. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to do that because compression socks are supposed to be a little tight. Guess I'm just gonna keep with the small because the medium is too big on me. So yeah, these are the free socks that I got. Like I said, you can go to their Instagram and see on their Instagram of their affiliate or their code, because you can get free compression socks with the purchase of your sneakers. Okay guys, so the next pair of shoes that I got is this one. These ones are called the powder blue. This was a limited edition. I think they are up in their website anymore, but they usually sometimes they're like people like the colorway, they like bring it back, so maybe let's see. Like I said, my white ones were too tight on me, so I got this 0.5 bigger and it fit perfectly. Not uncomfortable, no nothing, it's perfect. And I even think that if I would have gotten a size 9 in women, I would have been perfect too, because when you put the compression socks are a little, I'm not gonna say bulky, they're a little thick, so when you put them with the shoe, it's gonna be a little tighter. But if you keep using them and using them, they get like bigger and they mold to your foot. So these shoes have, instead of like regular laces, they have this that you can like tie it like this. Great, but you can clean them easily. This is why they're great for healthcare workers, because we know there's a lot of pee and stuff we deal with when we have patients, and blood and everything splattering around. So this is why this is good. If you want to clean them, get a wipey and that's it. The soles are very comfortable. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have sneakers that are from Skechers that I actually bought for my job. They are more comfortable than this one. If you have tried Skechers, you know their soles are amazing and they're very, very comfortable. You feel like you're walking on a cloud. So I am going to say their soles are not that cushiony. They are comfortable, but I feel like they could do better with the soles. After that, I don't have anything else bad to say about it. This shoe is really great. I like it that you just have to slip them on and you don't have to be tying your shoe or putting the laces bigger so you can put your shoe inside. You just slip it right on. This is how they look like, and the laces and stuff like that. You also have this little thing that this is how I put them on. I just like put my finger through here and then just slip them on right there. Yeah, this is how they look like. They are very good. So like I said, these are a little dirty, but I'm gonna show you how I clean them. I love this colorway. It's like light blue, and then it has like a navy right here, and then here is black. So yeah, I love this color. These shoes, like I said, they came with this little thing. So right here in the back, this is like a card, and it says wear and use guide. It tells you how to clean them, how to wash the insoles, how to slip them on, and how to adjust your laces. Also have like a little returns and exchanges things right here. Right here, there's like a little letter from the founder, and then you have like two little batteries. I haven't used them. They're like the retractable ones. If you guys know about batteries, you know there are ones that are like alligator clips that you basically like you can swivel them around, but these ones are not like this. You just like put it in your clothes like with the clip. I'm gonna show you a clothes. So it also came with 3 pens, and it says for borrowing only, and it has like the Clove sign right here. So yeah, they're just like regular pens, nothing special, but it came with 3. So I guess that's a really nice touch because you're paying like a lot of money for these shoes. So yeah, okay, so this is the last color I have on this shoes. These are the pink ones. These are called Pink Up, I think, something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna leave the links of everything down below. Like I said, they're the same. They have like a lighter pink, a darker pink right here, and then gray, and then you have the adjustable laces and stuff like that. Again, the insoles, it says we support you right here on this shoe, on the right one. So yeah, this is how they look like. I'm gonna show you how you can clean them very, very easily. And yeah, these are actually also came with the batteries and the pants pink. I don't know where I put them, so so yeah, these are the other shoes, and they look really nice. And these ones, I also got them in a size 8.5. Like I said, actually I could have gone up to a size 9, and I feel like I would have been perfectly fine, because these ones, I'm not gonna say they're tight, but they're like just right, you know what I mean? And sometimes in my shoes I like to have a little more space if I'm like walking around all day and stuff like that. And you know, healthcare workers do walk around all day in the hospital. So yeah, I feel like if you have a wide foot, make sure to order 0.5 of their shoe size, or even a whole size. To show you my other socks. Every pair of shoes I got free socks. Like I said, you can have a code, you can find them on their Instagram and stuff like that. So these ones are like lavender color, and it says hashtag with love on the sole. It's pretty cute. I got this one in a size medium, and these are big on me. Make sure to look at size chart of the compression sock, so you know which size to get for your specific shoe size and stuff like that. So yeah, color is very cute. And also got this ones. This is like an ombre color, light blue, and then a darker blue right here, and they say Clove right here on the front. So yeah, these are very cute. I'm gonna say that do not dry them in the dryer, because they won't feel soft anymore and shrink. I feel like they're very good quality, and they're very thick, great in like winter months and stuff, because it's like very thick. It will keep you warm. This is how they look like. Don't put them in the dryer. So yeah, okay guys, so to clean these shoes is very easy. So you're gonna need a wipe or something that's wet to clean the shoes. You can see it's very dirty right here, so you just have to wipe them, and that's it. literally. Oh, this is great. It's easy to clean, and you know, if you work in a hospital, you can get blood on your shoes, or you can get pee on your shoe. So this is great. You just need a wipe and you can just wipe all the dirt away. Okay, so let's talk about the price. Some shoes that are for healthcare workers are not cheap. Some are very cheap but not that good quality. Some are cheap and good quality. These ones I feel like are a very good quality, but they're not cheap. These ones I got for $129. Like I said, I got the free sock, but if you don't have a code, you're not gonna get free socks. So I think the socks are $20 something if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all the links down below for you guys. To be honest, the shoes are pretty expensive in my opinion, so keep that in mind, guys. Shoes are a little bit expensive, but they actually have like a financing option. They use this thing called Affirm. If you don't know what it is, it's basically like Afterpay in Klarna, that you can pay your shoe like monthly. I actually used this. I wanted to try it out and it was great. So for example, for a shoe like this, it costs $129 and you will have to pay like $43 3 months to pay it all off. So it's basically that the company Affirm, they loan you the money and then you just pay them back every month. I feel like this is good. If you don't have the $129 right away with you, you can use this service. You have to like get approved though. So yeah, this is an option if you don't have the money right away and you want to get this shoe to try it out. And also they have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the shoe or didn't fit you, or you want like another size, you want to size up or size down, you can return them and you can get the size that you want. I think that's pretty cool. Some companies don't offer this. Like if you get the shoe, the size is wrong, or you don't like the shoe, you can return it, but you can return it with this. So like I said before, guys, everyone has different opinions about this shoe. My honest opinion, I think for the price, what you're getting is great. You get a good quality shoe. It's easy to clean, easy to put on, very comfortable. Like I said, I feel like with the soles, they could do a better job making it like more cushiony and stuff like that, but it's not uncomfortable at all. I'm just saying that I have tried other shoes like Skechers shoes that they're more comfortable than this one. Overall, I feel like I will give the shoe 9 out of 10 just because of the sole thing, but I feel like this shoe is great if you work like as a nurse, as a doctor, or anywhere that you need to stand for a long time and walk a lot. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below what you guys think about this shoe. Remember, be nice. People have a lot of different opinions. In my opinion, I feel like this shoe is great. Some people think it's not. Some people think it's overhyped, but I feel like you should give it a try. You can return it if you don't like them, but in my opinion, this is a great shoe. If you are in clinicals too, this is great for you. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also guys, please comment down below any video ideas, any video topics that you would like me to make for you. I'm always open to suggestions. I always try to make the content that you guys want to see. Make sure to leave me a comment down below with any suggestions. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I'm gonna put them right here so you can be up to date when I upload my videos and everything. And also I'm gonna be doing more giveaways in the future, so make sure to follow me on Instagram and my other social media so you can know when I do a giveaway. So bye guys.